I'm going to go over the procedure to restore your set of books from a backup on a flash drive. This same procedure will work if you need to restore your books from an email also. In this example, I'm going to show you how to restore your set of books into PcMars from a flash drive. To do this, you're going to want to select File, and then Restore Set of Books. You are then going to want to click on the From Directory button down here in the lower left-hand corner. And a window is going to open up asking you where your books are that you want to restore. Where are they located? In my case, they are located on this USB Drive E flash drive. So I'm going to highlight this USB Drive E, and you'll see down here that it's listed it. You will not see the files show up here in the middle. That's okay. We're just going to highlight the USB Drive E, and we're going to hit Select Folder. Then any PcMars folders that were backed up using PcMars will now populate on this Restore Set of Books screen. You then want to select any or all of the books that you want to restore. You can check mark them all. You can hit Select All down here. And once you've selected which ones you would like to restore, you're just going to have to click on the Restore button here. The program will then ask you, do you want to restore the 3 PcMars backup zip files to the Restore To directory listed? And you're going to say yes. If you already have a book, as I do here in this directory, it's going to say it currently exists in the directory. Do you want to continue and replace this set of books? If it's the most current backup that you are trying to restore, I would say yes. And the multiple store is now complete. So just click on the word OK. If the set of books are located in an email, I would suggest saving that attachment into your documents. All the steps will be the same except for where you are restoring from. Instead of choosing your flash drive to restore from when clicking on the From directory, you would choose Documents. Again, you will just need to highlight Documents and then click on Select Folder. Then all the PcMars zip files located in your documents will then appear on the Restore screen, and you can choose which books you are wanting to restore, and then click on the word Restore. As a reminder, if you are restoring 2.5 or older data, that data will need to be converted after you restore by going to Utility, and then choosing to convert 2.5.6 and prior data. Another very important reminder is that you must always use the PcMars program to back up, restore, or delete data. Manually copying, deleting, or renaming a set of books is not supported and can harm your data. Thank you for watching.